Simple mutton coconut stew made with spice mix and Maggi coconut powder. A very delicious dish which can be easily made at home. Today we are going to make simple mutton stew with coconut milk. The ingredients are 450 grams of mutton with 1 lemon. Squeeze the lemon onto the mutton pieces. Mix it into all pieces. The next ingredient is coconut milk. And the milk has been made with Maggi coconut milk powder. We have taken 25 grams and mixed it in a glass of water to make this coconut milk. The next set of ingredients are raw coriander seeds, 2 to 3 red chillies, fennel seeds, double that of the coriander seeds, then fenugreek seeds 10 to 20 grams, 50 grams of garlic, cilantro leaves, 50 grams of ginger, 2 tomatoes sliced and cut, and 15 to 20 peeled shallots whole, and cinnamon sticks, clove, cardamom, and other spices. "50 grams of coriander seeds and 100 grams of fennel seeds have been taken. That is the weight of both these ingredients. Put in the raw coriander seeds and the spices into the preheated pan. Put in the fennel seeds and the fenugreek seeds. Now salt in medium flame. This is to make the base masala of the stew. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Put in the red chillies and salt. Let it cool and transfer it back to the plate from the pan. transfer the roasted spices back to the plate from the pan. Heat the pan again and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the garlic. Garlic we are putting. Now put in the ginger. Both the ingredients together for 1 to 2 minutes. Now put in the tomatoes. For 3 to 4 minutes. Put in 2 to 3 cilantro leaves, salt, shift the ingredients onto the plate. Pour in 4 to 5 ml of oil. Put in the shallots. Now saute for 4 to 5 minutes until the shallot turns caramel. Put in the coriander seeds, fennel seeds and the other spices with the red chillies into the grinder. cloves and grind the ingredients well. Now the spices and other ingredients have been ground. Put in the tomato, garlic and ginger that we sauted earlier into the ground spices. Close and grind further. Into the salt pan, put in the mutton pieces that we marinated in the lime juice. Pour in the coconut milk that we made earlier using Maggi coconut powder. Now put in the ground spice, coriander, fennel, tomato, garlic and ginger mixture. Mix the ingredients together, the coconut milk and the spice, tomato, ginger, garlic mixture and the mutton all together. Put in the shallots that we caramelized earlier. Mix thoroughly. Pour in 600 ml of water. Mix all the ingredients in the water. Put in salt to taste. Mix. Put in a pinch of turmeric powder and mix. Mix thoroughly. Put in some cilantro leaves, cloves, cook in medium to high flame for 1 hour. Close and cook for 1 hour in medium to high flame. Open and stir occasionally and see if the water is getting evaporated faster than necessary. If there is need for more water, you can add a little bit of water at a time. around 50 ml. Otherwise, close, stir occasionally, and cook for 1 hour in medium to high flame. Now the curry is ready, and the flame can be put off and the curry can be served. This is the final mutton coconut stew made with spice mix and Maggi coconut milk. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe and comment.